Looking for a versatile tool that combines convenience, precision, and practicality? A screwdriver measuring pen is a must-have for DIYers, electricians, and anyone who appreciates multifunctional gadgets. Compact yet powerful, these clever tools typically combine a screwdriver, level, ruler, and even stylus all in one pen-sized package. In this guide, we'll highlight the 5 best screwdriver measuring pens that offer excellent functionality, durability, and value for your toolkit. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Aideepen Screwdriver Measuring Pen. Designed for professionals and DIYers alike, the Aideepen Screwdriver Measuring Pen is a compact, multifunctional tool tailored for electrical work and voltage detection. Combining the convenience of a traditional screwdriver with the added functionality of a voltage tester, this tool delivers exceptional practicality in a pen-sized device. It features a dual screwdriver head that easily switches between flat and Phillips tips, making it suitable for a variety of electrical and mechanical tasks without the need for multiple tools. This thoughtful two-in-one approach streamlines your toolkit and enhances your efficiency on the job. Constructed with high-quality CRV alloy steel, the screwdriver head is heat-treated for improved strength and durability, ensuring long-term reliability even under regular use. The pen's lightweight and ergonomic ABS shell houses a voltage detector that supports a voltage range of AC 24V to 250V, suitable for most household and industrial applications. The non-contact induction feature allows you to safely detect live wires, identify zero lines, and locate breakpoints along electrical paths with visual LED indicators. The red and green LED lights provide immediate feedback, both lights on for live wires, green light alone for neutral wires, and no light when a circuit is broken. One of the standout features is its intelligent self-check function, which confirms the pen's functionality using the human body circuit. This ensures the device is ready for safe use before every task. The built-in self-test is activated by holding the pen tip with one hand and touching the cap with the other. A green light confirms it's operational. If no light appears, it's time to replace the battery. The pen clip adds portability, allowing it to be easily clipped onto pockets or tool belts for quick access in the field. Whether you're checking household outlets, performing maintenance, or installing fixtures, this tool offers quick diagnostics without compromising safety or performance. Pros: compact design, dual functionality, quick diagnostics, durable build. Cons: manual battery check, limited voltage range. Number 4. Aneng B5 Screwdriver Measuring Pen. Compact, reliable, and thoughtfully designed, this multifunctional screwdriver measuring pen brings together the essential features of a basic hand tool with the safety-focused functionality of an electric tester. Engineered for everyday use in both home and light industrial settings, it offers versatility through its dual-bit system, which includes both slotted and Phillips heads. The bits, crafted from chrome vanadium steel with magnetic properties, make handling screws more efficient and precise, especially in tighter or hard-to-reach areas. Weighing only 39 grams and shaped like a pen, it easily slips into a pocket or tool pouch, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go professionals and DIYers alike. Its 1.95 cm bit length is perfect for delicate repairs, electronics, or household electrical maintenance where space is limited. The durable ABS plastic shell ensures longevity while keeping the tool lightweight and comfortable to handle, even during extended periods of use. The built-in voltage detection system enhances safety by helping identify live and neutral wires. When testing an outlet or cable, a green light indicates a neutral line, while the presence of a traffic light effect signals a live wire. The pen also allows for real-time breakpoint detection. Simply trace the wire and observe where the green light disappears to find where continuity has been lost. This function is especially useful for quickly diagnosing electrical issues without stripping wires or disassembling components. Enhanced by a high-brightness LED indicator, readings remain visible even under strong ambient lighting or direct sunlight. This is particularly valuable for outdoor jobs or poorly lit indoor spaces. At the heart of the pen is an upgraded intelligent chip that ensures accurate readings, greater safety, and a longer operational lifespan. The device is powered by three LR41 button batteries, which support extended use with minimal power consumption. Whether you're fixing home appliances, testing sockets, or working on vehicles, this tool adapts seamlessly to a variety of electrical tasks. Pros: pocket-friendly, easy visibility, accurate sensing, magnetic tips. Cons: limited reach, battery dependent. Number 3. Yiaeey Screwdriver Measuring Pen. Designed for precision, portability, and safety, this digital voltage tester pen offers a dependable solution for anyone working with electricity in household, automotive, or industrial settings. Blending the simplicity of a manual screwdriver with the functionality of a voltage detector, it brings together essential features in one lightweight, durable tool. The chrome vanadium steel bit available in both slotted and Phillips options is magnetic, allowing for firm grip on screws and even the collection of small metal parts during repairs. This added magnetic strength enhances work efficiency, especially in tight or elevated spaces where dropped components are hard to retrieve. The pen's sleek gray ABS body is shaped for comfort and durability, with an anti-slip ergonomic handle that provides a confident grip during use. Built-in is a long-life neon bulb designed to light up with reliable brightness, making electrical testing both safe and easy to read, even in low-light environments. The indicator clearly distinguishes live from neutral wires. The live wire illuminates the bulb, while the absence of light signifies a neutral connection. This straightforward visual cue is ideal for quick diagnostics during installations or repairs. One of its most convenient features is that it requires no batteries, offering true plug-and-play usability. This means it's always ready to use, no need to worry about replacing or charging batteries in the middle of a job. The pen-style design, complemented by a sturdy clip, ensures it stays securely in your pocket or toolkit for fast access, reducing downtime when shifting between tasks. It's particularly well suited for checking outlets, sockets, switches, or circuit continuity without dismantling components. The combination of rugged build quality, ease of use, and reliable voltage detection makes this tool a must-have for electricians, technicians, and even home users. Whether you're performing basic home maintenance or working in a professional setting, this pen-style voltage tester helps get the job done faster and safer with minimal hassle. Pros: no batteries needed, magnetic head, durable build, bright display. Cons: no digital readout, limited depth. Number 2. Aideepen B16 Screwdriver Measuring Pen. Engineered for modern electrical work, this intelligent induction test pen merges traditional utility with advanced digital functionality, offering a comprehensive tool for electricians and technicians. Featuring a non-contact voltage detection system, it provides a safe and effective method for identifying live wires, line breaks, and overall circuit integrity without the need to physically touch the wiring. When in NCV mode, the screen displays EF, and proximity to live current is indicated by both visual signals and an audible alarm. The closer the device is to a voltage source, the faster and more urgent the buzzer sounds, allowing users to quickly and confidently assess wire status. A standout capability is its ability to trace line power outages. While scanning along a circuit, it gives feedback via signal strength and sound. Strong alerts indicate healthy, continuous wiring, while the absence of signal or silence pinpoints the area where a break has occurred. This is especially useful for diagnosing electrical faults in complex installations without invasive inspection. With an AC voltage detection range from 12V to 300V, it covers most household and light commercial applications. Durability is another key advantage. Made from a combination of ABS and chrome vanadium steel, the pen's surface features a smooth texture with high hardness, making it wear-resistant and capable of withstanding daily use. A built-in LCD backlit screen allows users to clearly read voltage levels and status information, even in low-light or nighttime environments. There's also a handy flashlight function for better visibility in dark areas like fuse boxes or behind appliances. The pen clip design adds portability and convenience, allowing it to be easily carried on a belt or pocket. It also features a self-check function, zero-line recognition, and electrical continuity testing. Battery efficiency is supported by an undervoltage indicator that shows 0 on screen when the power is too low for operation, preventing inaccurate readings. While it requires 2 AAA batteries, its energy-efficient design ensures long usage between replacements. Pros: audible alerts, LCD display, wide detection range, flashlight function. Cons: batteries not included. Number 1 and the winner is Aneng B15 Screwdriver Measuring Pen. Designed with practicality and safety in mind, this professional induction tester pen is an essential tool for electricians and home users who need reliable voltage detection in a compact, easy-to-carry format. It blends a classic screwdriver design with multiple diagnostic features to create a versatile device that fits comfortably in your pocket and performs with precision. Built from a combination of ABS plastic and chromium vanadium steel, the pen delivers both durability and comfort, standing up to frequent use while remaining lightweight at just 36 grams. With a voltage detection range of 24 V to 250 VAC, it's suitable for most household and light industrial electrical tasks. Whether you're testing power outlets, light switches, or circuit continuity, this device offers consistent and accurate readings. Its built-in sound and light alarm system provides clear feedback. When live current is detected, both the audio signal and visual LED indicators are activated, ensuring that users receive real-time alerts. The pen also excels in identifying breakpoints along electrical lines. Simply trace the wire and look for where the signal stops to pinpoint the disruption. The inclusion of zero and fire wire detection simplifies tasks that require careful identification of wire polarity. It also features a reliable self-test function to ensure the pen is operating correctly before each use, offering added peace of mind when working in potentially hazardous environments. An ergonomic one-word batch head, made from magnetic chromium vanadium steel, enhances precision when using the tool as a screwdriver while improving ease of use in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. A built-in flashlight further extends its utility, illuminating dark corners or poorly lit panels so you can keep working safely regardless of conditions. Powered by 2 1.5V AAA batteries, this tester is energy efficient and designed to deliver long-lasting performance. While the batteries aren't included, the pen's low power consumption ensures that replacements will be infrequent. With wide-ranging functionality packed into a durable, handheld form, it's ideal for diagnosing and maintaining everyday electrical systems. Pros: lightweight build, audible alarm, flashlight feature, self-test function. Cons: batteries not included. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.